Hey folks, thanks for tuning in once again to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here. Check this one out. Is that pink or what? That is about as hot pink as I can get. All the pertinent information is over there in the details. I've got a lot to do as far as playing wise, what in the sound demo here, so I'm going to get started. Just to let you know real quickly, the tuning on this, I am not an 8-string player, so I made it simple for myself. It's a standard tuning on from the first string up to the 6th, and then we went with another A and another E, so that'll give us some little thunder, as you can tell. So we got a little thunder in there. Now that's in blended position. As you can see, we skipped the neck pickup, just went with middle and bridge. And so I'm going to switch back and forth, do a little sound demo for you guys. If this is your first time, basically what I'm going to do is get a beat going, improv some loops over that, and just go from there. Pretty much just making noise, but letting you get a good sense of what the guitar can do if it were in the hands of a real musician. So let's get a funky beat going. Now let's get a little riff. Yeah, let's go minor. Let's go D minor. I like that finger better. Let's do it. Okay, I'm going to take these into a single coil. So I'm going to kind of embellish on what we got, but I don't want to take away from it, because that's really a good drive. Okay, let's get a little something else going on here. I'm going to keep it in the double single coil. That's a really good glassy sound. Now we're going to go single, double. Pull the tone down a little bit. I think I'll reverse it. Yeah, pull down a little tone, a little volume. let's go back this way. Okay, at this point, I'm not too much worried about music theory. I'm trying to give you a chance to hear all the sounds blended, to hear how these pickups are actually cutting through. Okay, let's put a little distortion on it. That's it. I mean, that's basically, you know, that's what I could do with this thing. So again, imagine it in the hands of a real musician. But this was really a fun guitar to make for you, Joseph. I hope the demo works, and I hope you like it. And moreover, I hope we can get this thing into your hands real soon. I think I think we're all done. The intonation's all set. Everything looks good. We got the strap pegs on, so that's a good plus. I've got all the screws in that needs to be in, so yeah, I think this guitar is ready. I'm going to do a little photo shoot here in a bit, lay it out on the dining room table, take some shots, and it's ready to go. Again, all the details are in the description. Please leave comments, you know, like, share. Let's get this channel growing still. As you can see, we still got the Naima build going. I've got another video for that. I wanted it to be the last video, so sorry it's been like a couple weeks in between the the previous video and the next one, but that's because I really need to get these guitars wrapped up, as well as get a real nice video. I'm going to make the next video the last video because I got a special series coming up after that. This one should be ready soon. That one is I just got to sand like 2 more grits up the ladder, so build up to about 320. We can get some dye on that one. That one's going to be teal, so that's going to be really cool. As you can see, it's all swamp ash, one body, and that's a brand new model, so check out that one. Yeah, that's what we got going on here. A lot of guitars in the shop that need to get out of the shop, so stick around. This one is done, and that just means that more are going to wrap up here real quickly. Oh yeah, we even got this one, the Bajo Sexto. Yeah, I don't think you can see that one, but yeah, that one should be built within a week. So in the next few days, you're going to see a lot, because you're going to see that demo and then that demo pretty much right after, and then this one not long after that, and then the Naima. All in the mix somewhere. All right, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Hope everybody you have a great day, great week, and great month. And you know, it's almost wrapped up for the year, so that's going to be cool. Thanks again for tuning in.